when we talk about customary right, we often think of common and public property, where there are large number of users of land or the land with natural resources. But in all ecosystems, and particularly in desert ecosystem, the private property often function as common properties other than the agricultural region. And during the non-agricultural season, there are large number of users who use these private properties for different uses. It could be foraging for petrol, it could be collecting firewood, it could be collecting non-timber forest product for women and other vulnerable groups of society. Uh, Unfortunately, when we talk about the land acquisition and rehabilitation mechanism, we just think of the owners of the land who are owning especially in the case of the private land, without recognizing or completely ignoring the users of these private land in that context. While it is important to recognize the customary use right of the private land, but it is also slightly complex in changing environment. On the one hand, as the green revolution has happened in India, we have shifted from one crop season to multi-crop season. As we shifted from multi-crop season, our private lands have actually become private for entire year rather than just for just one agricultural season. The same thing which has happened in the part of like Punjab or Haryana or in other parts of the country, now it is happening in the desert ecosystem through our infrastructure. Our infrastructure is changing the nature of private property from seasonal private property to perennial private property, which will undermine customary right of large number of land users in this ecosystem.